You're never living, you see, this is the Earth, right? Is it flat like this? This is basically the Earth. Look, there it is. There's your round Earth. Look at that. Question is, do we live here, or is it two separate spheres, right? Is it two separate, how can we do this? Is it two separate spheres? But I don't want to cut it in the middle. I don't want to cut it in the middle. I want to cut it on an angle, right? Let's see if we can get rid of that conspiracy, right? Can we get rid of the conspiracy, right? What are we going to get rid of, the conspiracy, or are we going to put a card in the center, right? We'll put an ocean on the card. Can we do it this way? Does it have to be squished this way? Or should this part never be cut? Should it actually be cut? Okay, right over here. Because, you know, when we live, where is the up? The up is wherever you land. You are always going to land on up. Okay, because that's our conception. That's our understanding of up. Now, if these were pool balls, right, I'm going to take out the number. There's the stripe. So I took out the stripe, and now we're left with this. I just took out the stripe, right? Maybe Earth is round, but we're just living on the inside. Some people on the outside, some people on the inside. So what we would do is we would take this round Earth, right, and cut out the inside. Right, we're going to cut out the inside. If we can cut out the inside, I'm going to cut out some of the inside. But I know if I bend this too much to cut out the inside, right? You know what happens if I cut too much to bend the inside? And I have a little problem with the inside. So I'm just cutting out the inside, right? Just cut out the inside, right? Oh my God. I made a hole in the floor. I'll have to put something here and fill that up. Try and figure out now where our North Pole is. Oh, I have to put that stripe back in, right? Because that stripe, right? Where's my... That stripe, right? That stripe, right? I mean, because you have to keep the stripe in there, right? And it's like, we're just going to make that stripe just really good. There you go. See that? Got a stripe. Oh, what's that? Oh, my God. Inside the stripe is the cube. Don't tell anybody. Don't tell anybody. The word for dictation is right here. See, as you get the cubed elements inside there, inside the direction, right? We close this over, and then we read it. We read this. And we send the signals all around, or we pick up the signals. It becomes a satellite dish. And we have the stripe and the pool balls. We got both sides of the solid. We got the stripe. We got with the number. And we got number, let's see. We got number 8. Oh, on number 8 is 6 and 1, I see. Okay. Well, what's coming up in the next ball? I don't know. So we're going to take out both cubes. What if it was a little bit different than what I said, right? What if, okay, it's just a little bit different from what I said. Because don't forget, I cannot say exactly what it is because we each have our own opinion. Correct? We each have our own opinion. So now what we do, okay, is because it's a striped ball, okay, we're going to do something a little bit different, maybe a little bit more challenging, or for the challenged one, hello, little twig in my eye, right? So now we put this on here, right? On this side, it's the 6, but on this side, it's the 4. In between, it's the number reader. It's the number reader. It's the 8, right? If it was the 7 ball, okay, the 7 ball would connect to the 15 ball, right? 1 plus 5 equals 6, reading 4 and 6. What is the readers? But because there's only one number on the ball, right, it's a representation of only one cube. You ever think of that? Only one number? Is there 2 numbers on the ball? 2 cubes. Does it have a stripe on it? Right? Because maybe if it has a stripe on it, whoop, because of the stripe, it might hold a cube of its own. And then a cube on the outside. And then we put the ball together. We know it comes in 3 pieces. We have no choice. That's what it says, Raphael.